Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long can criminal charges hang over your head? It's a question that causes a lot of anxiety, whether you're worried about an old mistake or currently stuck in the legal system. The answer isn't a single number. It depends on two major legal concepts, the statute of limitations and your right to a speedy trial. First, let's talk about the time limit before charges are even filed. This is called the statute of limitations. It's a law that sets a maximum amount of time the government has to start a criminal case against someone after a crime has been committed. For less serious crimes, like misdemeanors, this period can be short, often just 1 or 2 years. For more serious felonies, like robbery or assault, it can be 5, 7, or even 10 years, depending on the state. It's crucial to remember that these time limits vary significantly from state to state. However, for the most severe crimes, like murder, there is typically no statute of limitations at all. This means charges can be filed at any time, even decades later, if new evidence emerges. The clock on the statute of limitations can also be paused, or told, if the suspect flees the state or goes into hiding to avoid prosecution. Now, what happens after you've been arrested and formally charged? That's when the clock starts ticking on another right, your constitutional right to a speedy trial, guaranteed by the Sixth Amendment. This right prevents the government from leaving you in legal limbo indefinitely. But what does speedy actually mean? There isn't one federal rule that says a trial must happen in 90 days. Instead, courts look at several factors, like the length of the delay, the reason for it, and whether the delay hurt the defendant's ability to get a fair trial. Many states have their own specific speedy trial laws, which might set a deadline, like 180 days from the date of arrest, for the trial to begin. However, these deadlines aren't absolute. Delays are common. They can happen because of busy court schedules, the need for more investigation, or motions filed by either the prosecution or the defense. In fact, a defendant will often waive their right to a speedy trial, giving their attorney more time to build a strong defense. If a court finds that either the statute of limitations was missed or the right to a speedy trial was violated, the consequences are huge. The charges are typically dismissed with prejudice, which means the government can never bring those same charges against you again. So, the time a criminal charge can remain pending is a two-part answer. The government has a limited time to file charges, and once filed, they have a limited time to bring you to trial. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand this complex topic, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of the law.